अब आइए इंग्लिश स्पीच पेश करने के लिए अजीज़म अल्ताफ़ को दावत स्टेज देता हूँ कि आए और अपने इंग्लिश स्पीच पेश करें।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। Respected principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. My name is Muhammad Altaf and my madrasa name is Madrasa Imdadul Ulum Muazzam Nagar Lucknow. An Independence Day speech in English holds immense importance as it serves the platform to commemorate the remarkable journey of our nation towards freedom. As we celebrate the 77th Independence Day, we reflect upon sacrifices of our brave ancestors and the struggle they endured to secure our liberty. This year resonates deeply, emphasizing our commitment to the betterment of our country. Delivering an impactful speech not only highlights the significance of this historic day, but also inspired unity, patriotism and a shared vision for a brighter future. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम व रहमतुल्लाहि व